So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sort data on multiple criteria. So more than one column, we can sort it and we tell Excel what order to sort them in. So I'm going to go over to my 09 vet clinic patients file, and I'm going to select and practice naming a range. So you may remember how to do this. So we're going to select A4 through N56. We're going to come up here and click, and we're going to call this clients. C-L-I-E-N-T-S, clients. Hit enter, and now if we go up here and we select clients, it should select all that information. We're going to go up to the data tab. With this selected, we're going to go to the data tab, and in the sort and filter group, click sort. We're going to click this big button right here, sort. And so now we get to add in there how we want to sort it. So in the sort by list box, so the first one's this, sort by. Under column, choose last name. So I'm going to click last name. Sort on what? We're just going to leave it at values. We're going to add a level. So now we can add another criteria. And then we're going to put in first name. So we're going to sort it by last name and then first name. We're going to add another level. And then we're going to add middle initial. We're going to add another one, add level. And then we're going to do suffix. That way if somebody has the same name, more than likely they're not going to have the same middle initial. And they may not have the same suffix. So click OK. And my data has headers. We definitely want to keep the check in that box because we've selected A4 through N56. So we did pick up this header row. So we definitely want to tell it that it has headers, or it'll try to sort this row. Click OK. And so now they should be ascending order by first name or last name, first name, middle initial, and by suffix. So let's see if we can find one that has the same last name. So if we go here, we have two Flynn's. So Jennifer comes before the next one. Let's see if we have another one. We have two Lee's. So we have C before W. We have no middle initials in there, so yeah, we do. We have a Y. But it's first name, last name, or last name, first name, middle initial, and then a suffix. And that's how you can line it up so that you can sort in multiple different columns at the same time.